Dash cameras are increasingly popular devices among drivers, offering additional safety and the ability to record road situations. The Mio MiVue 803 is a modern car camera that has a lot to offer, including high-resolution 2.5K 1440p recording, GPS features, and an integrated Wi-Fi module. In this review, we will take a closer look at the features and capabilities of this model, analyzing its pros and cons. First impressions. The Mio MiVue 803 is a car camera recording in 2.5K 1440p resolution at a smooth 30 frames per second FPS, allowing it to capture all important details during travel. Alternatively, the camera can record in full HD 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second. This solution ensures a high frame rate even at higher travel speeds. Equipped with a 5M sensor, the Mio MiVue 803 promises high image quality, which is crucial in the event of collision-related issues. Thanks to the integrated Wi-Fi module, the camera can synchronize recordings with a smartphone in real time, and firmware and speed camera database updates can be performed wirelessly. The camera also features an average speed camera, assistant function, and speed camera warnings, allowing for the calculation of remaining time, distance, and average speed. Image quality. The Mio MiVue 803 provides high-quality recording both during the day and at night. During the day, the image is very good, with no overexposures and a good WDR function that improves recording quality in difficult lighting conditions. This function can sometimes struggle, but overall it performs quite well. At night, the camera also performs surprisingly well. Darker areas are well lit, and bright elements such as car headlights are not overexposed. Although there is slight noise, the overall image quality is very good. Additional features. The integrated Wi-Fi module allows for quick and seamless synchronization of recordings with the MiVue Pro app, which enables video management, camera updates, and creating backup copies of recordings. The ability to view live footage and manage video directly from a smartphone is a great convenience. This works quite smoothly, and it is even possible to preview the recording from the smartphone. However, when the smartphone is connected to the camera, it automatically stops recording. The camera also features GPS positioning, which automatically calibrates time and location, as well as GPS warnings about speed cameras and the patented Mio Smart Alert function. With a wide viewing angle of 140 degrees, the camera captures a substantial view ahead. Installation and construction. The Mio MiVue 803 is relatively compact and lightweight, weighing just 81 grams, and its dimensions are 51.5 millimeters in height, 84.5 millimeters in width, and 33 millimeters in thickness. The camera is powered by USB-C, which is a fairly universal solution. Unfortunately, the installation is done using double-sided tape, which I particularly dislike. It is problematic during later removal or adjustment of the setting. The mounting itself is on a sliding joint and is quite stiff. The camera doesn't look bad. The buttons on the side of the casing are quite large and clear. I like the function labels visible on the camera's preview. This way, we immediately know what each button does and don't have to wonder, for example, where the emergency recording button is. However, it is worth noting that the camera's screen preview is relatively poor quality, and some translations in the user interface need improvement. For a camera costing nearly €100, the display quality should be better. During use, I almost immediately turned off the welcome sound because it was somewhat annoying. The camera picks up sound well, and conversations between two people are easily heard. I like the ability to set the screen to turn off because I personally don't like cameras shining in my face at night. GPS warnings about speed cameras and average speed checks generally worked, except when the Mio warned me about a speed camera ahead, on a parallel road. Conclusion. Mio MiVue 803 is a modern dash camera offering many advanced features, such as high-resolution 2.5K 1440p recording, an integrated Wi-Fi module, GPS, and speed camera warnings. The camera ensures good quality recordings both during the day and at night, and the MiVue Pro app makes managing recordings and updating firmware easy. Despite a few drawbacks, the Mio MiVue 803 is a recommendable device for drivers looking for a reliable dash camera within a budget of €100.